Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. Today's video is a DIY using these. Obviously not rasgullas and gulab jamuns, but we'll be using these empty tin cans. I'll be making some really cute organizers out of these cans which will even add to the decor of your home. So let's start. First thing that we are gonna make is a watering can. Materials required for this are a tin can, cold drink can, enamel paint one white and one any other color of your choice, air dry clay or M-Seal, a thin wire, hammer, nail and a cutter. First, to make holes on can, two persons will be required, one to hold the can tightly and the other to hammer the nail. Make 3-4 such holes at a place. You can even use drill machine if you have one. Now with help of paper cutter or scissor, cut the cold drink can in form of a long sheet. Make a conical shape out of it, cut it out and secure it with help of stapler or any quick dry glue. Take a thin plastic sheet. I have taken the cap of the tin can, cut it in circular form and prick holes on it. Here I have made 2 such cones from cold drink can and attaching them together with the help of hot glue gun and quick dry adhesive. Attach the plastic sheet also the same way. Attach the structure to the cone where we have made holes in this way. Now with the help of wire, make a loop on other side and fix it with help of a glue gun. Use air dry clay or M-Seal to secure the joint of wire and the tin can. Make the handle thick with the same air dry clay or M-Seal in this way. Secure all the joints with M-Seal or air dry clay to make sure it is leak proof. Once it is dried, give it a base coat with white enamel paint. And a final coat with any color of your choice. Now I am making polka dots by dipping a round object in paint and making impression of it on the can. Later I filled the color inside with brush. You can make any design of your choice. And here it is ready. You can even use it as a planter for your indoor plants or for watering the plants also. Next thing that I'm going to make here are this cute knick-knack box. For this you will need tin can, cardboard, acrylic color and brush, tissue paper, glue and gesso. You can use any brand. I am using the homemade one. If you want to know how to make it, then please watch my video on decoupage. Link will be in the I button. First, I am coating the tin can with a layer of gesso. This makes the application of color on any surface easy. While the coat of gesso dries, let's make the cap. For this, I am cutting 2 circles out of cardboard, one of the size of the tin can and the other little smaller than that. And sticking them together in this way. Now I am cutting strips of tissue paper and going to stick it all over the cardboard with help of glue and brush. And leave it to dry. The layer of gesso is dried now. Give it a coat of white acrylic color. Now I will draw these cute birdies with help of marker. This type of drawing is called whimsical art. It is a carefree, childlike art. You don't need to make the perfect shapes, so it is good for non-artistic peoples too. Color it with the combination of vibrant and fun colors and it will look good. Some final finishings by doing the outlines. Here the layer of tissue paper is dried. Now I am coating it too with gesso and will paint it according to the birdies drawn on cans. Yellow for the one with yellow bird and pink for the one with pink bird. Finally, I am sticking this air dry clay beads as knob. And here I have already started using it in my kitchen to keep those knick-knack items that get lost among big utensils. Now I am making this garlic tin, which is lot in trend nowadays. For this you will need tin can, cardboards, white acrylic color and brush, tissue paper and glue, scissor and cutters and gesso. Cut the cardboard in round shape according to the size of the can as done earlier and divide them into 3 parts like this. Now I am cutting long and thin strip of cardboard and making it loose so that it's easy to fold it. Stick it around the circular parts in this manner. Now stick them one upon other like this. And make a handle loop too. I prefer sticking tissue paper layers as it makes the joints smooth. Next I have made some holes on can at a distance of 1 inch from bottom using drill machine. You can use hammer and nail process. Follow the same process of applying gesso and then paint on both can and the cardboard cap. And I am making a garlic label on top of it with help of a permanent marker. You will get it in market for around 300 bucks, but joy of making it yourself is different. That's all for today. If you like the ideas, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of upcoming videos. And if you try any of these ideas, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.